Cardano ADA is a cryptocurrency that was just listed on Europe's largest exchange. In this video, we'll go over all of the facts of this move, including why being listed on Europe's largest crypto exchange is such a major deal for Cardano and its ADA coin. Before we get into the video and all of the great information we've gathered, make sure you subscribe and ring that bell icon if you're new to the channel so you don't miss out on any updates from the world of investing. Cardano has astonished its investors and the crypto world as a whole during 2021 with creative enhancements to its blockchain network. Furthermore, the corporation kept taking out its pen to sign off on deals with some big names in and out of the crypto field. With the year nearly over, Cardano has added yet another big name to its growing list of collaborators. Bitstamp, one of Europe's oldest and largest cryptocurrency exchanges, announced on November 18 that the ADA coin would be listed on its platform. ADA investors were ecstatic at the news, as it means the token would be available to a larger audience in Europe. Now, before we go any farther with the Bitstamp discussion, let's have a look at ADA's recent price performance. The crypto market has been on a roller coaster ride in the last few months of 2021, from dips in October to some of the highest highs in November, and then further downward trends as the year draws to a close. The price of Cardano ADA, on the other hand, has followed a similar pattern. ADA set an all-time high price of $3.10 at the beginning of September. However, in the weeks that followed, the price began to stagger and decrease until the Bitstamp announcement gave it a tiny spark. Unfortunately, the ADA price did not maintain its rising trajectory, and the coins began to decrease again in December 2021, reaching $1.20. If you've never heard of Bitstamp, you're probably wondering why the announcement and listing of Cardano ADA on the exchange caused such a stir in the crypto world. So, here's the solution. For a variety of reasons, this relationship is beneficial to the ADA coin. Cardano's listing on Bitstamp gives the platform's 4 million users access to the ADA coin. Now, if history is any indication, we already know that as more people invest in and use the ADA token, the price will rise. The price performance, as we covered before, is another strong indicator for this access. With the ADA token currency plunging, a growing number of users will be enticed to buy the dip now. While it is okay to be enthusiastic about the coin's future, and we hope that it returns to a bullish trend, the currency must first break out of the $1 zone, which it has been struggling with for the past few weeks. Let's take a look at this listing's technical aspects and all of the options that are now available to its users. Cardano ADA was listed on the exchange in 4 different ways, starting on November 23, 2021. The transfer-only mode was the initial step. Users could only deposit and withdraw ADA using their Bitstamp wallets in the transfer-only mode. They were unable to initiate or cancel orders for the coin, though. The function did not become live until the second mode, which was slated for the following day, November 24, 2021. Users might utilize the ADA coin to place and cancel limit orders in this post-only mode. The list, however, was still incomplete. No limit orders on the Cardano currency had yet been processed on the exchange at this time. This was left until the third phase of the listing, which occurred later that day. Every limit order placed on the exchange using Cardano was effectively completed in the third phase, the limit-only mode. However, this did not affect the fact that ADA users were still restricted to trading with limit orders. Full trading was the fourth and final phase of Cardano ADA's exchange listing. This was done so that the other books would have enough time to gather sufficient liquidity. After that, each order was completed in its entirety. Bitstamp then turned on card purchases for the new trading pairs. Bitstamp may lag behind other major exchanges in terms of trading volume. However, it is one of the most trustworthy digital assets with significant market liquidity. As a result, European trade accounts for the majority of company revenue. As we previously stated, this will result in an increase in the number of people using the ADA coin. Regardless, users of ADA are split on how the coin will fare in the future. Cardano's fundraising rate and Bitstamp listing are both promising. However, as open interest continues to decline, traders are becoming increasingly hesitant to trade with the coin. On a more positive note, Cardano spot holders demonstrated that the number of investors has been steadily increasing. The number of Cardano addresses staking the coin had increased by over 100,000 in just 2 months as of late November. With such a big number of people putting their trust in the ADA token, the chances are likely to be in ADA's favor in the future. According to data, there are $54.07 billion worth of ADA states spread across 2,931 active pools, accounting for little over 72% of ADA supply. Cardano's annual 360 November event took place on November 25, 2021. Major Cardano updates and improvements were disclosed at the event, possibly triggering a positive resurgence for the coin. As a result, many investors are questioning if Cardano will make a breakthrough in the next weeks, especially in light of its recent Bitstamp listing. Cardano lost around 70% of its value a few weeks ago. Despite this, there has been a minor improvement on the network. Since then, crypto investors have speculated that the drop was caused by eToro's announcement that it will delist the ADA in the United States by the end of the year owing to commercial considerations in the changing legal environment. Starting on December 26, 2021, users of the cryptocurrency will be able to close existing positions but will not be allowed to open new ones. Staking for the assets will also terminate on December 31, 2021. Dan Gambardello, the founder of Crypto Capital Venture, went on to criticize the crypto market for focusing more on Cardano's delisting from the eToro exchange in the United States than on its listing on Bitstamp. On Twitter, Gambardello stated that eToro had a daily trading volume of around $67 million, but Bitstamp, Europe's largest crypto trading platform, has a daily trading volume of over $500 million. In the year 2021, Cardano ADA has gone through a number of modifications and advances. The ADA has been at all-time highs and lows. There have also been successful updates to the coin, such as the introduction of smart contracts, allowing it to compete with the Binance Smart Chain, BSC, Ethereum, ETH, and Solana, SOL, getting listed on Bitstamp, Europe's largest crypto trading platform. Bitstamp is currently the world's 12th largest cryptocurrency exchange, with roughly 625,000 weekly visits. One of the primary things that crypto investors believe contributes to a cryptocurrency's longevity and importance is its ongoing exposure. Cardano has finally been able to get its ADA coins into the hands of European investors. Buyers are hoping that the ADA will step out of the bottom border of the collapsing wedge on the market chart as time goes on. With that in mind, investors and holders of the token may have no choice but to wait out the storm and hope for the best. The ADA executives are working to resurrect the coin sort, and all they may need is a little more time. Another thing to keep in mind is that nothing in this video should be construed as financial advice. While our research has revealed a lot, make sure you do your own research and get the advice of a qualified financial advisor before making any financial decisions. That is all that I have for this video. I hope that you've learned something and gained additional insight about this project. If you are looking to invest, please be smart and make sure to research beforehand. Other than that, I wish you the best of luck.